You are an indie designer. You're an indie designer and you're trying to figure out how to take this hustle into your main hustle so you don't have to do anything else you don't want to do. You're not trying to get a job at a big brand. You don't want to manufacture. You love creating and you love making fashion, and a lot of people are commenting on what you are doing. So my first advice would be keep doing what you're doing. You're right in the right place at the right time. My second advice is people can be flaky. Even the people that need money and say they need money can be flaky. I hired somebody to do the lining on these wonderful furs that I have an order for, and it, for whatever reason, maybe she had some personal issues, it didn't work out. Well, listen, this is not my favorite thing to do, but I can do it. And if I slow my ass down, I can do it as good, if not better, than she can do it. The way I learned that was by doing it. And what's wonderful is if you can do all aspects of your job, when somebody flakes out on you, you don't lose the order, you don't lose the sale, you don't mess it up. So my advice is learn every aspect of your business and your company. Be able to sell. If you're not the best at sales, you still have to know how to sell. And then hire someone who's better than you and get going on with what you're good at. What are you good at? Identify what you're good at. Because the world needs you. The world needs your art. The world needs your creativity. The world needs you. So what are you waiting for?